With so many brands and styles available today, choosing the best folding mattress can be confusing and downright frustrating. For today's video, we considered many factors including features, quality, and value to narrow down our final picks for the top 5 best folding mattresses available now. Let's get started. Number 5. Roll-Up Pick. Hazli Memory Foam Roll-Up Mattress. This is a very comfortable 3-inch thick mattress made with 2 inches of high-density foam combined with 1 inch of memory foam as a top layer. The cover is made of cotton and is removable and machine washable, and the grippy bottom helps prevent sliding. You can also get it in 3 different colors and sizes, including small at 62 by 26 inches, single at 75 by 25, and twin at 75 by 36 inches. When you're finished using it, it rolls up nicely and includes straps to secure it, as well as a bag for travel or storage. Overall, this is a great portable mattress for any age. Number 4. Camping and travel friendly pick. Thera Portable Tri-Fold Health Folding Mattress. This 4-inch thick mattress features a tri-fold design for quick and easy storage and portability. Great for one person, it measures 31 by 75 inches in length when unfolded, and 31 by 12 inches when folded up. With a total weight under 15 pounds and an included case with handle, it's both portable and durable as well, making it perfect for camping and travel. We also appreciate that this mattress doesn't have any strong odors and that the cover is fully removable and washable. Number 3. Best Japanese Mattress. FULI Japanese Traditional Shiki Futon. Individually crafted with cotton, polyester, and polyurethane, the triple-layer design results in a soft quilted mattress that is plush and comfortable, yet lightweight, ranging from 10 to 20 pounds depending on mattress size. This makes it easy to fold, roll up, or even put away daily to save on floor space. The FULI floor mattress in particular pairs well with our number 3 pick, the Tatami mattress, helping to pull in excess moisture and create additional support. The cover unzips for quick washing, and you can get it in a range of sizes from twin to king, and even some XL options for extra length. When it comes to comfort, quality, and convenience, the FULI mattress is a great choice overall. Number 2. Best Folding Cot. Linon Verona Cot-Size Folding Bed. If you're looking for a complete roll-away bed that can fold up for easy storage, the Linon Verona cot is a quality option at a reasonable price. This folding bed has a comfortable 5-inch thick inner spring mattress on a sturdy foldable frame with an impressive weight capacity of 275 pounds. At about 31 by 75 by 15 inches unfolded, it folds up to 13.5 by 32 by 42 inches, making it a reasonable size to have on hand in your home for guests. Additionally, we love that it's easy to move, easy to use, and compatible with any twin-sized flat sheet. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Best Overall. Inofia Memory Foam Tri-Fold Mattress with Ultra Soft Bamboo Cover. What we like most about the Inofia mattress is that while it's portable and foldable, it also comes in multiple sizes including twin, full, and even queen, so it can actually be a complete mattress replacement. This mattress measures 6 inches thick with 1.5 inches of memory foam on top of 4.5 inches of support foam. Unfolded, the queen measures 58 by 78 by 6 inches and folds up to 58 by 26 by 18 inches. The bamboo cover is nice and soft and machine washable, while the mattress itself is plush yet supportive. All in all, the Inofia Tri-Fold is a large, comfortable, high-quality folding mattress that has a wide range of uses. Still need a little more help deciding on the right mattress for your needs? Take this chance to head over to the description below for the most current info, availability, and latest deals on each of these choices. And remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment to let us know your opinion.